Hi, this will be going up for auction later this afternoon on September 12th. This is Sylvania 510W radio. If you look at the eBay ad, you'll see what the original one looked like. It was brown, had a little crack in the case, which I sealed up, and I did a couple of layers of primer. I decided to use a hammer tone to try something different, a little hammer tone finish. I have it set on my AM transmitter so you can hear what it sounds like.
Ability to musically reinvent themselves, their raucous antics off stage, and they're still
sounds pretty good
today. The Stranglers have a new album
I had to replace one tube. Of course, I've replaced all the electrolytic capacitors. I checked the resistors for tolerance, and they were all fine. I replaced all the other
this is your first album in 10 years, right?
paper capacitors.
Nearly 10 years, yes, ma'am.
What brought you back?
And I also replaced it with a new power cord, making sure that it's safer, so the proper cord goes to the ground and it's wired correctly into the radio. Spin it around here, you can see what it looks like. So,
I think it's like giving birth a little.
hopefully you'll have an interest in it and you can bid on it. Please ask any questions. Thank you for watching.